welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm working on another room makeover. So I start by prepare the room before I start painting. And today I'm using the French gray because the bed that I ordered is a white bed. And the dark gray will make the bed stand out. I really do like this color. Okay guys, let's start working. So I always do it like a boss. I'm a strong woman, right? Okay guys. Yeah, I'm not bragging, but I'm a powerful, unstoppable woman. High above the sky, we are heroes tonight. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. And if you already coming back and you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to like it and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. Okay, I start with the French gray because that's where I'm going to put the head of the bed. The reason why I choose this color because I ordered a white bed, and this color is so beautiful. It's going to bring the bed out more so you can see the white pop up with the gray. So that's why I chose it. And as you can see, if you look at my previous video, and you will see that's the same way I did my living room. And this part I couldn't use the rollers, so I use the paintbrush so I can get all the little spot that I miss. I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description box down below. And this color, the name of it is Quiet Rain, and I really like it because it's not too deep gray and it's not too white either. It's like right in the middle of it, and I really like it. Trying to protect your soul.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Now the room is dry. I'm going to start with the furniture's process. I'm gonna put the bed and the nightstand because the thing is I ordered a lot of stuff but they haven't come yet. I'm using the perfect glass to clean my window, and then this one is a good stuff. I'm gonna leave the link in this description box down below.
Secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you
I ordered this light at overstock.com. The thing I really do like about it because it gives you two options. The first one you can use it as a regular chandelier, and the second one you can use it as a plug-in. For me, the way my house is built, I'm gonna use it as a plug-in, and I'm telling you, it's super pretty.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered.
I'm done with the chandelier. I'm going to work on my bed right now. So look at it up there. It's so pretty. I love the light. Was about to open the bed in the wrong side, so I had to turn it because the bed has a light on it, so I didn't want to damage the light, so I had to turn it because you can see it stayed clearly front and back, but I didn't pay attention, so I had to turn it. Extra work for me. Okay, this is the partial finish look. Look at the chandelier, it's so pretty. I like it so much. Look at it. Wow. So I'm going to have a part 2 coming up very soon because I didn't put any bed sheet, no nothing, no decoration, no nothing yet. So I'm waiting for my dresser. So I wanted to do a part 1 and the part 2 gonna be sometime next week. And I hope you guys like the video. So if you do, please give me a thumbs up because I really like the way the room turns out. And then the bed have a light, LED light on it, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And those bling, wow. Everything is pretty, so I like them. So give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you on the part 2, okay? Bye.